Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 18th, 2018, and I have my eucalyptus seedlings here, and I'm going to be transplanting some of these today. Now, normally I transplant these when they're a lot smaller, but I didn't get to do that this year, so I'm going to be transplanting them now. So I have my container here, and I have it filled up with Miracle-Gro potting mix, and this container is it's about an 8-inch clay container, and if you live like in cooler climates, they do recommend you put them in black containers to help draw the heat into them, but I grew them last year in all different color containers and they were fine. Unfortunately, I lost mine when they went indoors. I think they didn't get enough light. So I'm going to show you here, and if you want to put them like in an organic potting mix, that's fine too. That's completely your choice on that. There are some organic plant foods out there as well. So I'm going to be taking this one here out. So I have my little garden tools here, and see if I can pop this out of its tray. I don't think I'm just going to be able to. No, it's not going to let me. Get my tray here. Try and put these out into it here. This is actually going to split right open for me here. These are a little drier. It's been really hot up here. It was cold and then it went back to hot. I'm trying to keep up on watering everything here. Let's see if I can get this out of here. This is going to be a specific one I'm trying to get here. This is so much easier to do when they're just really, really little. This is going to be a lot harder now that they're bigger. Because the roots of them kind of grew into all of the rest of them here. And I know that they did. I'm trying my best here. I'll be transplanting the rest of these then. Okay, not the way I like to take stuff out. So I'm going to be transplanting this. It's so much easier to do this when they're so little. Have my little hole for it here. Now this is going to go through a transplant shock because of the way I transplanted it. My soil is nice and dry and nice and fluffy, which is a good thing. Placing the other soil for the other ones. Okay, now it's time to water this. Just using rainwater to water it. My water is warm, so. And that's how I transplant my eucalyptus plants. I am going to be doing some more then because I have more to transplant. I'll water this till water runs out the bottom of it. And I will put this in a nice sunny spot so it grows. And my other ones are right here. Now I like to normally transplant them differently. There's really not too much right now I can do with these because they're bigger. When I try to transplant them, I normally put them in individual containers when they're about this tall. but unfortunately I didn't get to do that this year. So I have the rest of these to transplant then, and so they can have their nice little homes in their containers. And I will be feeding this then with a Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I'll put a link down below for that. If you want to feed it with an organic food, that's perfectly fine. I'll put some links down below for some organic foods that you can feed it with. And you know, that's completely your choice. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.